Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to see all your friends on Facebook. Maybe you want to see all your friends on Facebook so that you know who is your friends. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see your all friends on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to go and open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. And then in here, you need to go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. And then once you're in your profile page, you can now scroll down and you will see in here your friends. And as you can see, below that, you will see all friends. Tap on this see all friends. And then now, here all are your friends on Facebook. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to see your all friends on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to see your all friends on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.